Hello, good morning students. Today my video of class 9 mathematics. We will continue exercise 2.4 here. Question number 4. Here we have to factorize. What we have to do here? Factorize. Look at the first question students. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. How we will factorize this? The student first and last term we have tried in the same way. 12x square and plus 1. Now middle term we have to split in such a way that its sum will be minus 7x and its product will be the product of the first and third term. Okay, its product will be the product of first and third term. The product of first and third term is here what? 12x square. Now 7x we have to split in such a way that the sum will be 7x and its product will be 12x square. So on the place of 7x can we write 4x and 3x. Here it is minus 7x, so we can write here minus 4x and minus 3x. Now minus 4x and minus 3x, if we will add, we will get minus 7x. And if we multiply the both of the number, the product will be equal to 12x square. So here we will split the minus 7x in form of minus 4x and minus 3x. Now here we have to take common. So we will take 4x as common. With 4 3 times and x. Now it's with 4x one time. Now here there is no number to take common. So students, you have to must know that 1 is the common factor of all the terms. So we will take here 1 as common. Now what remains here? 3x minus plus minus 1. Now in both of the terms 3x minus 1 is common. So we will take 3x minus 1 as common. Now 3x minus 1 we have taken as common. What remains here? 4x. And from this term we have also taken 3x minus 1 as common. Now what remains here? 1 minus 1. So in the factorized form of 12x square minus 7 plus 1 is 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Look on one more question students here. (3x square minus x minus 4). Now as we know, the product of the first and last term. What is the product of first and last term here? Minus 12x square. The product is, so minus x we have to write in such a split form that their sum will be minus x but their product will be minus 12x square. So can a student, we can write here minus 4x and plus 3x. The sum of these two numbers is minus x and the product of these two numbers is minus 12x square. So we will write here 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now what we will take here common? X. Now what remains here? 3x minus 4. Here nothing is common. So as I have told you earlier, when there is nothing common, 1 is the common factor of all terms. So we will take here 1 as common. Again 3x minus 4. Now in this term and in this term, both of the terms 3x minus 4 is available. So we will take 3x minus 4 as common. Now we have taken 3x minus 4 as common. What remains here? X. Again we have taken 3x minus 4 as common. What remains here? 1. So the factorization form of 3x square minus x minus 4 is 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. Okay student. Now move on next question. Question number 5. It is the factorization of cubic polynomial. Now the fifth number is factorization of cubic polynomial. Look at students here. The first question is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. First student, you have to look what is the common factor of 2 here. The common factor of 2. In this cubic polynomial, you have to look which is the constant term and then you have to find which is the constant term. It is not a constant term. It is also not a constant term. It is also not a constant term. This one is constant term. So the common factor of 2 is plus minus 1 plus minus 2. So by trial method we will get here, by trial method we will get, if we take 1 on the place of x, then the result will be 0. On the place of x, if we are putting the 1 from these two numbers, if it is not possible by plus 1, then we will take minus 1. If it is not possible by plus 1 and minus 1, then we will take plus 2. If it is not possible by plus 2, then we will take minus 2. Now, keeping 1 on the place of x, we will get here result 0. So we can say that therefore x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now from here you have to watch very carefully, students. Look here. Now what is the polynomial here? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. It is a cubic polynomial, so we have to write x minus 1 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Why? Because it is a cubic polynomial. X minus 1, again x minus 1, and again x minus 1. Clear? Now you have to think in your mind, this x we multiply with which number to make it x cube? This x we have to multiply with which number to make it x cube? Your answer will be, student, x square. We have written in this form. Now x minus 1 and x minus 1 3 times. Now this x by which number we have to multiply to make it x cube? Your answer will be x square. Now multiply here. In this question solution, first we write the second step, then we have to write the first step. So x square into x cube, and x square into 1 minus x square. Now how many x squares are required here? Minus 2x square. How many x square we have got here? Only one. 1 minus x square is required here. Now this x we cannot multiply this one. Now this x we have to multiply. Now this x by which number we have to multiply to make it one more minus x square? Your answer will be minus x. Okay. Minus plus minus x into x square. Now student, already we have got x cube. We have also got minus x square. Minus plus and x one ja x. That's a different thing. Here x cube you have got, 2x square you have also got. Now here minus x required, but we have got plus x. For that you have to multiply here with minus 2. Why? If minus 2 is multiplied with x, then the result will be minus 2x, and minus 2x and x will be added, then the result we will get minus x. Okay student? And then minus plus and 2 1 ja 2. Okay students? Again I am repeating. First you have to check which is the constant term here and what is the possible factor of the constant term. Here the constant term is 2 and the possible factors of constant term is plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Because 2 is divisible by only two numbers, 1 and 2. So we will take here plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Now by trial method we have got, if we on the place of x, if we are putting the 1, then the result will be 0. So by taking 1 on the place of x, the result will be 0 of this polynomial. So you can say that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay. So we have written x minus 1 3 times. Why? Because it is a cubic polynomial. Now in your mind you have to think this x by which number we have to multiply to get the first term of this polynomial. This x we have to multiply with x square to get the first term. So that x we have to multiply with x square into x cube, and x square into 1 minus x square. Now this we have already got. We have got this one. 1 minus x square we have got here. How many x square more required in minus? 1 more minus x square. For getting 1 more minus x square, this x we have to multiply with minus x. Now minus plus minus here, x into x square. Now also we have got minus 2x square. Now again we have to multiply minus plus x plus the x. But here we have to got minus x. 1 plus x we have got here. So for keeping the value in minus, we have to multiply this x with minus 2. Now minus 2 into x minus 2x. Now if we add the both of the terms, we will get minus x. And minus plus 2 1 ja 2. Now all of these terms, what is the common? X minus 1 is common in all of the terms. So we can write here x minus 1 as, we can take x minus 1 as common. What? X minus taken we have common. What remains here? X square. Here x minus 1 we have taken common. What remains here? Minus x. And here x minus 1 we have taken common. What remains here? Minus 2. Now this term we have to split here. X minus 1 What is friends we will add here? Minus 2x minus x. Sorry, plus x minus 2. We can also write the middle term. Now we have to factorize here the quadratic polynomial. Means in the middle term we have to split in such a way that their sum will be equal to middle term and their product will be equal to first and last term, as I have taught you earlier. Now x minus 1. Now in both of the terms what you will take as common? X. So what remains here? X minus 2. Here nothing is common, so we will take 1 as common. Again here x minus 2. So x minus 1, x minus 2. Out of the both of the terms we will take x minus 2 as common. X minus 2 we have taken as common, that what remains here? X. And x minus 2 here also we have taken common, then what remains here? Plus 1. So we can write down this cubic polynomial in the factorization form: x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 in factorization form x minus 1 x minus 2 into x plus 1. This is the way by which you can solve all the rest of the question of this exercise. Thank you students for watching this video.